Weight freeze is a feature designed to prevent weight discrepancies and extra shipping charges by predefining and locking the weight and dimensions of a specific SKU. It allows sellers to establish an agreed upon accurate weight with courier partners before the shipment is dispatched. Here you can freeze the dimensions and weight of the products and ship them with the frozen weight once approved. Benefits: minimizes disputes arising from weight discrepancies between the merchant and the courier company. Helps in quicker resolution of weight-related disputes. To request a weight freeze, go to Weight Management, Weight Freeze, Not Requested. You can also see the weights suggested by Shiprocket based on the historical data of previously charged weight for a product from the Suggested Weight Freeze section. Select a product from the list and click on Request Weight Freeze. Enter the product category and product URL, optional. Then upload front and back images of the product you wish to freeze. Then enter the dimensions and the dead weight of the package after packing the product inside the box. Upload proper images of the package clearly showing the dimensions and weight of the package as instructed and submit the weight freeze request. Once submitting the weight freeze request, our team will review the request and approve or reject the request based on the data provided. You can also unfreeze the weight of a product from the defreeze section.